So here is what I'm going to be doing this week. Babysitting all these babies. Ain't that right? So I'm going to spoil them to death. You want a treat? Good girl. You want a treat? Y'all are not listening. Y'all are not listening. I'm going to have to train y'all this week to listen to me. Okay, here goes, Scarlett. That's yours. Riley, come here. George. Oh, that was my finger. We're done. Yeah, you listen, don't you? There you go. See, that just wore you out, honey. You got to calm down. It's okay. This is Riley's first time staying with me like this.